Well, the day's finally here. The new car that I've had on order has finally arrived. Going to pick it up today, and the Prado is getting traded in. Had this car since 2012, I think. It's been a really reliable car for, 12 years. Got it with just less than 100,000 Ks on it. It's got almost 300 on it now. Everything's stripped off, awnings off. Pretty much nearly everything's out of it, ready to trade in. Probably gonna miss it, to be honest. It's been a fantastic family car and then four-wheel driving car, and we've done a number of trips in it. So I'll roll on a couple of highlights of trips I've done with it here, and then we'll start cracking into what the new car is. It's finally here, my new 2024 Isuzu D-Max. It's the LSU model. I've been waiting about 6 weeks for it now while it's been getting fitted out. So pre-rego, GVM, upgrade, which is also a 2-inch lift. KMC Mesa wheels went from the 18 down to the 17 and up to like a 32.5, 33-inch tire with the Maxxis razors. And that's all it's got on it so far. I've got some Fat Bars rock sliders to go on. These things look hideous, but they're coming off soon. And still waiting on a bull bar because they don't make them yet, even though it's the end of 2024 and this is a 2024 model. They still don't have the one I want available yet, so that's about another month away. And I've got a tub canopy going on the back. Still going to get window tint done, all sorts of other stuff. So pretty blank canvas, but I can't help myself. It's literally got 200 Ks on it. I've got a swag, some boxes of basic camping gear in the back, and a change of clothes, and we're taking it away for the weekend. So yeah, this will be the last time that you actually see it this clean. So I thought I'd get some initial shots of that, and no doubt it's about to get muddy because the weather at the moment is pretty terrible. Anyway, that's not going to stop us. Might be a little bit of rain. I've barely even got any recovery gear. I don't have anything to... I don't have a winch because I don't have the bar. Hopefully this goes all right. Otherwise, I'm going to be in trouble with the missus, I think. But anyway, let's hit the road. Night one camping at Zigzag Station. Pretty flash touring rig behind me here. It feels like I've gone back 10 years in camping technology. Rocking 2 tubs in the ute, just with the bare essentials. And then Dutchy swag and King's 3x3 gazebo with a ground sheet. And that will have to do because, yeah, this thing's brand new. I've got nothing on it. So really no choice. No power, no nothing, no car fridge. Got an esky in the back, which kind of sucks. You get used to using fridges after a while. And it's just churned up all these rocks and just grinded them into round little stones. How cool is that? Give me a little fucking thumbs up. Ew. Hell yeah, how good is this? I'm going for a swim. Only a day in and all the ice is melted already, even though it's Yeti and they're meant to be great. I think I'm too used to car fridges. So yeah, we're gonna crank up the fire, cook some dinner, chill out, have a couple of beers. That's about it. I don't know what people usually eat when they're camping, but this is a bit ridiculous. I think that's like a 5 centimeter thick, probably 600 gram, like ribeye on the bone. Yeah. Nuts. That's night one of simple camping done. Now we're all packed up. Didn't take me too long because I barely got any gear. Now we're heading the back road from Zigzag Station through Mount Fox, out through to Ingham, up the coast, and then up the Karama Range into Blanco Falls for the night. So yeah, time to hit the road. At this side of the road, beautiful clear skies, sunshine, nice fluffy clouds. The way we're going, yeah, not so much. Looks like it's pissing down up there, but anyway, we'll see how we go. all you little guys doing? Look at all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiny one at the back there. 4. Look at these little guys. Move out of the way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Out of the way. Stay off the road. See you later. Well, that'll probably do for drone shots, because there's a bird who seems to hate drones. He actually hit the drone, which is a first in all my years of flying them, having one actually strike it. So to save me $2.5 grand, it is now back safely in my drone bag. We managed to get ahead of the storms as we drove in, but you can see it's all coming at us straight over the back of that hill. So we're gonna cancel camping here tonight, and I'm sort of liking driving the new car. So we're just gonna keep on trucking and shoot on the other road that goes further north, goes out to Mount Garnet, I think, back through Milla in Innisfail and back home to Townsville. So we're just gonna keep on trucking. That's the first little shakedown trip done and dusted. She's pretty clean again. Next video is probably going to be rock sliders, and I also got sick of not having access to memes out bush. So I got my little Starlink mini kits to test out. Might do a separate video on that as well. So yeah, that's it for the first D-Max video. Subscribe if you want to follow along, and we'll see you in the next one.